Hey, how you doing? It's Marcus here from Make Your Life Count. Thank you so much for stopping by to find out a little bit more about this amazing course, Stepping Out of the Valley. Just a little bit about me. My name's Marcus Matthews. As I say, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and transformation coach, and I've worked with some of the best coaches in the world. But one of the things that I noticed was to get amazing training, to find out why you feel the way that you do, can be pretty expensive. And that fear of stepping into a place and putting your hand in your pocket is scary. And I get that. So I asked the universe and said, how can I be more, serve more, and actually work less? So I'm chilling at home at the moment. And I thought, well, why don't I take what I do with my one-to-one clients, put it online, and then give you the opportunity to work with me, but in a group. And then when I thought about that, I thought, how amazing is that? Because what that means is you can go on this journey and have an accountability group. Because when you go through that process of transformation, when you're trying to break through those blocks in your life, it can be lonely. And to have a coach on hand 24 hours a day is going to be costly. So I believe this course actually gives massive value. So let me tell you a little bit about what you're going to get. It's a 5-week course, and in that 5-week course, as well as the online content that you'll get straight away as soon as you sign up, you'll be going through a cohorted process. And what that means is that you'll have your own accountability group, and each week over 5 weeks, we're going to look at different areas which are going to help you break through those blocks. So not only am I going to give you information, I'm actually going to teach you the skills that you need to become your own coach. Maybe you're already a coach or a therapist. This can also not only unblock your blocks, but you can use these tools to help your own clients. So how amazing is that? You can actually use this content to go and take it into your workplace, if you're a manager, if you're a leader. So all of this content can be used for life. So what are we going to look at? Well, in week 1, we're going to be looking at fear. The facts around fear, what actions need to be taken, what choices you have, and how you can trust your own instincts to step forward. In week 2, we're going to be looking at meditation and the power of journaling. Now, for those of you who've never journaled or used meditation, this might seem a little bit woo-woo. It's not. It's one of the most powerful tools that you can use. But I've made it super simple, and I'm giving you an amazing framework to start that journey. In week 3, for me, this was my game changer. It's all about tolerance and boundaries and how to have those difficult conversations. Week 4, however, is where it's really going to hit home. So all of that work we've done in weeks 1, 2, and 3, I'm going to take you through a 2 to 3 hour rapid transformational therapy experience where you're going to find out what the root causes are to those blocks that you've got. Now, that alone is worth around about £700. So just jumping on this course for week 3 is going to be a massive game changer. And then week 5, we're going to look at what we've done through that process and then put some things in place to help you move things forward. Have a quick look at the course. There's some free sections for you. And if you need to get in touch, just drop me a message on WhatsApp. You can start the online course straight away. But as I say, the group coaching will be going every single month. So if you've just missed it, don't worry. You can buy the course now, and then you can jump on the next set of coaching that will be coming your way. My name is Marcus Matthews, and I truly believe that everybody should have a fulfilled and happy life. And when you break through those blocks, when you remove the feelings from those toxic stories you tell yourself every day, you really can change your life forever.